Let's talk about whether and if. Whether you should use if or if you should use whether. What's the difference and how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, whether versus if. Let's get started. What is the difference between whether and if? And we're not talking about the weather outside, sunny, rainy. No, different spelling, same pronunciation. Whether, Whether, is a conjunction, similar to if. So let's begin with the most simple explanation. It is better to use whether to talk about a choice or to talk about different alternatives, different things you can choose. For example, are you coming to the party tonight? I don't know whether I can come. So, whether is talking about a choice. Come to the party or don't come to the party, right? Those are the choices. I called you to find out whether I left my computer at your house. So, what are the choices or the alternatives? Well, either I left my computer at your house or I didn't leave my computer at your house, right? I'm not sure whether I'll choose coffee or tea with breakfast. There are two choices, coffee, tea. Understand? Okay. It is better to use if to talk about a condition. Think about conditionals in English. If you don't know what conditionals are, or you want a review of conditionals, watch my videos here. Okay, so it is better to use if to talk about a condition. For example, we'll go to the beach if it doesn't rain. If it doesn't rain is the condition. If they have Earl Grey tea, I'll choose tea instead of coffee. What is the condition? If they have Earl Grey, right? If they don't have Earl Grey, I will not choose tea. I will choose coffee. Same example as before. Are you coming to the party tonight? I'll come if I can get off work in time. Well, the condition is if I can get off work in time. Okay. Now let's talk about the more difficult details between whether and if. Whether and if can also be used interchangeably. This is common. Interchangeably means they have the same function, the same meaning, and you can use either word. Both whether and if can be used to express an indirect question. an indirect question involving two possibilities or alternatives. This might be a little bit confusing. Don't worry, we will look at some examples, okay? I don't know whether my answer is correct. This is an indirect question. This means, is my answer correct or incorrect? I'm not sure. And I can also use if. Same meaning. I don't know if my answer is correct. So we have two possibilities, right? Correct or incorrect. I wonder whether this news story is true. This means, is the news story true or untrue? I'm not sure. I wonder. I wonder if this news story is true. So, two possibilities, true or untrue. I don't know whether your Amazon package has arrived. This means, has the package arrived or not arrived? I don't know if your package has arrived. So, two possibilities, arrived or not arrived. You may have heard the phrase, whether or not. Whether or not. The phrase whether or not means in any case. Okay, what does in any case mean? Let's look at some examples. I am leaving whether or not you decide to join me. All right. I am going to get married whether you come to my wedding or not. Notice I can put or not immediately after whether, or I can put or not at the end of the sentence. Both are correct, okay? But what does this mean? In any case means without regard to or in spite of other considerations. That's the dictionary definition. In any case also means whatever else is done or is the case, is true. Okay, still confused? Let's look at some examples. Let's look at this previous example. I am leaving whether or not you decide to join me. So, I am leaving. You decide to join me. I am leaving in any case. This means I am leaving no matter what. I am leaving regardless. Let's make it very simple. This means if you join me when I leave, I am still leaving. If you do not join me and you stay, I am still leaving. So it doesn't matter what you do, I am leaving. You can come with me or you can stay, but either way, I'm going. Understand? I am going to get married whether or not you come to my wedding. I am going to get married whether you come to my wedding or not. This means I am going to get married in any case. I am going to get married no matter what. I am going to get married regardless. I am going to get married if you come or if you don't come. Okay? Understand? Okay, guys, The key thing to remember is it is better to use whether to talk about a choice or to talk about alternatives, and it is better to use if to talk about a condition. If you do this, you will never make a mistake. Okay? Here is one more rule. Always use whether before an infinitive. I am wondering whether to change our vacation destination. I don't know whether to choose Tokyo or Sydney. I don't know if to choose Tokyo or Sydney. This sounds strange, so it's not correct. If you have an infinitive, use whether. Okay. If and whether are subordinating conjunctions, so they have a similar function. But hopefully this video has made it a bit more clear whether you should use if or whether. Understand? Okay, guys, now it's your turn. I will give 5 examples. Choose whether, if, or both. Write your answers down in the comments section below. Number 1. It's sunny tomorrow. Let's go to the park. Whether it's sunny tomorrow, let's go to the park. If it's sunny tomorrow, let's go to the park. Which one is correct? Or are they both correct? I'm so confused. I don't know if to laugh or cry. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. What do you think? Okay, number 3. I don't know whether the team will win. I don't know if the team will win. Number 4. I don't care whether you stay or go. Just make a decision. I don't care if you stay or go. Just make a decision. Number 5. The festival will continue whether or not it rains. The festival will continue if or not it rains. What do you think? Let me know your questions and ideas for future videos down in the comments section. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something today, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Also, hit that bell icon so YouTube tells you whenever I make a new video. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.